Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree bringing you free crafty fun all year round, and today we'll be making 3D hanging heart containers that are perfect for little Valentine's Day treats. But before we jump into the video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out, and without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the hanging 3D heart container, you're going to need one square sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, some glue, a piece of string or ribbon to hang the container. I am using twine. And of course something to put into your container. I'm just using chocolate candy. Oh, and I almost forgot a hole puncher as well. First, let's flip our sheet of paper around so that the pattern side is facing towards the table. We're going to fold the entire thing in half. Then fold the entire thing in half again vertically to create a square. Now we want to take the entire thing and fold it in half diagonally so that it creates a triangle. Now I'm going to draw an arch right at the very top over here. So this is going to be half a heart, just like that. Take a pair of scissors and cut it out. And so when you open it up, it's going to be one heart. Open it up again, and you will have two hearts. Take your pair of scissors and cut right down the middle. Now grab one of the pieces and open it up. Take the left side and fold it over. Now let's dab some glue right on the pattern part only. And then take this flap and overlap the left flap. So now we've got ourselves a little cone, or half a heart from the side. Let's do the exact same thing to this one. So again, you're going to open it up, fold the left side over, dab some glue on the pattern part on the left side. Take this right flap, overlap the left flap, glue it down to make half a heart. Now let's dab some glue right over here on the left side, and then glue the two halves together. So now we have our heart and our two containers. Grab your hole puncher and punch a hole right at the center, and string our twine through the hole. Now you can even add some beads if you want, but I actually don't have any beads in my home, so I'm just using plain old twine. Now fill the containers with little candies or knickknacks. And your hanging candy heart container is done. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had fun making those 3D hanging heart containers. If you'd like to see more crafty fun videos like this, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And check out some of my other tutorials as well. I have hundreds of them, so there's really something for everybody. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!